Hello everyone. We are going to start the revision of English of standard 3rd. As you already know that we have completed question number 1 and 2. I hope you have revised or memorized question number 1 and 2. Now let's come on question number 3. A reference to context. First, spring has forgotten this garden. A number. Who said these words and to whom? Answer. Snow said these words to Frost. B number. Whose garden is this? Answer is the garden is of the selfish giant. C number. Why do you think spring has forgotten this garden? Answer. Because the selfish giant did not allow children to play there. D number. What happened next? Answer. The selfish giant breaks the wall and allows the children to play in his garden. Second number. He went the mountains twice 20 years back. He went the mountains 20 years back. A number. Who said these words and to whom? Answer. Rip Van Winkle's daughter said these words to Rip Van Winkle. B number. Who is he? Answer is he refers to Rip Van Winkle. C number. Why did he go up the mountain? Answer. Rip Van Winkle went up to the mountain because he was tired of his wife. D number. Whom did he go with? Answer. He went with his favorite companion, his dog. Third number. At the end of the week, show me all that you buy, but there is a condition. A number. Who said these words and to whom? Answer. King Krishnadev Raya said these words to his courtiers. B number. What was the condition? Answer. The king put the condition that every time the courtiers spent a gold coin, they had to see the king's face. C number. How did the listener or listeners react to the condition? Answer. All the courtiers were pleased and they left for the market. D number. What happened next? Answer. The courtiers were puzzled as they could not see the king's face, so they could not spend the gold coin. Fourth number. But isn't that ridiculous? Answer. A number. Who said these words and to whom? Answer. Mala said these words to the ant. Mala said these words to the ant. B number. What does that refer to? Answer. That refers to the food with the ants were collecting for winter. C number. Why did the speaker say this? Answer. Mala said these words as she thought that the ants were so early in collecting the food as winter was far away. D number. What happens next? Answer. The ants continued with their food, with their work. 5 number. They are rich in proteins and some vitamins. A number. Who said these words and to whom? Answer. Mrs. Sharma said these words to Sarthak. B number. Why does they refer to? What does they refer to? Answer. They refers to milk, cheese, eggs and meat. C number. When did the speaker say this? Answer. Mrs. Sharma said these words when Sarthak inquired about a balanced diet. D number. Do you eat food that are rich in proteins and vitamins? Name any two food items. Answer. Yes. I eat food that is rich in proteins like cereals and paneer. 6 number. Never give up, try again. And A number. Who said these words and to whom? Answer. Fluff's mother said this to Fluff. B number. Why these words said? Answer. This was said because Fluff has refused. Fluff has refused to go back to the house to get the bone. C number. When these words were said, answer. This was said when the guard dog had refused to let Fluff inside the house. D number. What happened next? Answer. Fluff went back and requested nicely for the bone. So dear students, here we have completed our question number 3, reference to context. Please try to memorize it and please make it ready. In the next video we are going to check out the revise of question number 4. Okay, till then you just make it ready. Thank you.